Let's talk today about 10 really easy peasy upsell ideas to add to your planner shop so you can increase your average order value. Now, your planner is probably the best, the greatest, and the most wonderful planner, whether or not you've created it yet or not, in your head that you are selling or plan to sell. And people who come to your shop probably want to buy other things that match it, that look like it, that go along with it, so they can have a complete collection. So let's talk about what those 10 items are today. Actually, I lie. I have 11. I just thought of another one. So we have 11 items that we're going to talk about that you can sell in your planner shop right now. Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Pretty Fabulous, and I help online businesses create beautiful digital downloads using Adobe InDesign. So if this sounds like you or something you might be interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I post new videos every Monday and Thursday, and I do unboxings on Saturdays. So let's just jump right into that list. So the first one is upgrades. Now we're talking about upgrades on your planner, and that might not be an option depending on how you design it or if you have different options, but I'm going to tell you the ones that are the most popular, and that is usually the rose gold option, or simply the gold, the silver, being able to choose the color of that spiral. And that's something that Erin Condren does a lot. Also, when we talk about upgrades, we can talk about the edges. So having gilded edges that have silver or gold on them. I do want to say that I think that's always a bad idea because those have a higher likelihood of getting damaged. However, it's not impossible. And if you feel like this is something that you can do, then you should go for it. Another upgrade is having a specialty cover like the velvet covers of the notebooks that I did from Poppin'. Gorgeous. I actually haven't seen anybody else come out with those. And the third option is to have colored edges. So they don't have to be gilded. Someone just came, I'm doing an unboxing in a couple weeks from Amanda Rachel Lee, and her doodle planners all have covers that match the colors on the edge of the paper. Genius. All right, so number 2 is a carrying case. So I did an unboxing of the Erin Condren planner tote, and it's super cute. I really loved it, and it fits exactly for the size of the planners that she sells. So you can do the same thing for your planners. I would just caution you not to try to do everything in the kitchen sink. Don't try to offer like a backpack option where they can store 1,000 things. They're not looking to go on a traveling vacation. They're just looking for something cute to carry their planner around that fits exactly, because sometimes it is hard. Like if it doesn't fit, it's either just a little too tight and it can't get in and out of there very easily, or it's way too big and it's just kind of swimming around in there and it's hard to find and the pages end up getting ruined. So that would be a really great option, especially if you could offer that your planner pages will never get bent or ruined because they will be protected in a tote or bag or purse or whatever you decide to create that is specifically designed just for it. Now, the third thing is apparel. So t-shirts, hats. Cultivate What Matters does a really great job of this. They have beautiful designs and they have t-shirts and clothing to match it, and they always sell out. The fourth thing is branded merchandise. And I'm talking more about people who don't want clothes because, it is a pain if it doesn't fit correctly to get it sized and everything. So you could do branded merchandise like mugs. You could do water bottles. You could do blankets. Erin Condren does blankets. I mean, who knew that someone would want a blanket that looks like your planner cover? But they do. So especially if you're out camping or if you just want something that kind of reflects your whole room, if they just like that style and they want to decorate a room or their house with those different colors, those are always a great idea. Number 5 is companion notebooks. So I love the idea that your planner is just for planning, and then you have a separate notebook where you can just take notes. So you want something that matches. Everyone wants things that match, and collections always do better than standalone covers that don't match anything else. It can be complementary. So like, let's say you have a pink and blue, like my branding colors of a planner cover, and everything inside is pink and blue, but blue is the dominant color. You could have a notebook that goes along with it, and maybe pink is the dominant color, and this time blue is the minor color, and then you can tell that they go together. It could be, with notebooks, you can do spirals, you can do hardbounds, you could do a notepad, anything else that kind of complements and matches it for people who need a little extra space to take some notes. The sixth thing is matching accessories. So when I say matching accessories, I really mean things that will accessorize the planner, like a pen that you can put inside of there, those elastic wraps that go around. If you don't have an elastic band on yours, you could also get some markers that go along with those. You could also do, what did I put down here? Oh, bookmarks, of course. Bookmarks, you can do bookmarks that go along with it. Cloth and Paper has some really cute pens. They don't always have to match. They could just be your favorite pens that you know will work on your pages without ghosting and without bleeding through. So you can guarantee that this will never happen if they buy your specific pens. Now, the seventh thing is stickers. I mean, nobody wants to buy planners without stickers. I mean, maybe some people do. I don't want to buy planners without stickers, especially if you can have stickers that match exactly. So the content planner unboxing that I just did, the stickers were genius. They fit exactly into the spots because it was an undated planner so that you could put them in there, especially people who don't have the greatest handwriting, or more importantly, like me, who are just too lazy and just look at undated planners. They're like, I don't want to put all those dates in, right? Like, I don't want to have to look that up. But now I can just put little stickers on there and it makes it easy and it kind of makes it a little fun. So, and they all fit exactly in those boxes. So I think that is definitely genius. Erin Condren has dots, but those don't fit exactly as into those little slots. So you could create stickers that fit exactly to match those planners. Now, the eighth thing is jewelry. So I don't know why people don't do this more. People love jewelry. Little charm bracelet, a necklace, rings, anything that complements it. It doesn't have to be your logo or something, especially if you don't think it's going to look cute. It could just be something that you think is pretty, maybe matches a certain design. Again, if people are in love with your planner and all these other accessories, they're probably going to want something cute, and jewelry is very cheap to make. Number 9 is Notepads. So I just did an unboxing for Ink and Volt, and they had a massive collection of notepads that they came out with that are just gorgeous, and they're so easy to make. And all of the vendors for notepads, if you're in Planner Academy, are inside of the vendor list. And you can get these easily made, and they're so lightweight, yet they look like your printables, but instead of making a printable, you put it into a notepad and it's okay. Because I think you've heard me say this before, when I see planners that just do a rinse and repeat of every day, not only do I find that annoying, but I find that kind of like a scam almost. Like, you've tricked me into buying a sheet of paper you've Xeroxed over and over again and put together and collated into a book. But when it's a notepad, it feels okay. I don't know. It feels like a good value. I'm not sure. Maybe it's the same thing to you. And then number 10 is postcards and regular cards, so stationery. So a lot of people who like using planners and notebooks and notepads enjoy writing. And if they enjoy writing, they probably enjoy sending snail mail or sending postcards or just having them up to decorate with or put them on their kitchen fridge. So these are always great things to add inside of there. And then I told you I had a bonus number 11, and that is desk accessories. So Poppin actually has, and I know they don't make planners, but they make notebooks, and they have an amazing line of really plain, simple but gorgeous looking desk accessories, like just little things to organize stuff, a pencil holder, a staplers, right? Like all those cute little things. You can find ones that are going to match your planner collection and go along with it. So let's go ahead and wrap up that list, because I know it was a lot of stuff. So let's recap it. I guess I should say, not wrap it up. The first one was upgrades to the main planner, if you are able to do that, depending on your manufacturing process or how many extras you've ordered of, say, a particular upgrade. The second way is to have a carrying case, like a tote bag, specifically sized just for your planner. The third one is apparel that is branded. And the fourth one is branded merchandise, like a phone carrying case or a mug. The fifth one is a companion notebook. The sixth one is matching accessories. The seventh one is stickers. The eighth is jewelry. The ninth is notepads. The 10th is postcards and note cards as stationery. And number 11, which is a bonus, is office supplies, desk accessories. All right, I hope that helped you to think of some things that could complement your planner, especially as you're doing the design, or if you already have one out, things that you can start adding to your shop. All right, I hope everyone's having a fabulous day. And remember, if you would like to create your own planner, make sure to sign up for my free course, Planner 101. I will leave a link in the description below, and I'll talk to you guys later.